Hi guys, today we're going to do another unboxing video and it's about Harry Potter wand pen. If you can look closely, it's like the Daily Prophet. The instruction. This should not be for kids because there's a choking hazard. This is from Beast Kingdom. So let's open it up. This is how it looks like when you open it. It has all these spells, starting from Ascendio, a charm used to lift the caster high into the air. Confundus, a charm which causes confusion in a person or bewitches an objects. Herbivicious, I don't know how to pronounce it, but a charm used to rapidly increase the growth rate of plants. Incendio, a charm that could be to conjure a jet of orange and red flame. Reparo, a charm that can be used to seamlessly repair a broken object. Revelio, a charm to reveal concealed objects. And the other side is just basically more spells. So it's a nice wood design. It got little cars in there. And this holding part looks like a real wood. And let's open it. This is the pen. And let's try it out. This is how it writes. You might feel like it doesn't work in the beginning, but you just need to scribble a little for the ink to get out. There's actually more wands than just Harry Potter. This one we already opened. It's the Hermione Granger wand with the vines. You guys might remember the milk chocolate wand, but this is actually made out of plastic that detailed as a wand. This is the grip. It opens on the bottom just like so. This is the Hermione and Harry Potter. As you can see, the grip is different. That's the part I like about it. And another part I like about it is because their pen openings are the same, so you might not get confused. This should not be near fire because it can get melted or damaged, and it should not be held by kids less than 15 years old. Thanks for watching. Bye. Please subscribe.